Yes, essentially.
So another mistake many people make is making the beds too short. Most people will say, "How deep does a raised bed need to be?" As much as short as the money is, meaning
What?
if whatever your finances will allow. If you can only afford 2 by 8 inch high boards, that's fine. We would recommend at least a 2 by 10 or 2 by 12. That gives plenty of depth for your root crops, and you will still have extra. You won't have to top the beds off as frequently as you would if it was a 2 by 8 or 8 inches high, because
Right. So we would say at least 10 inches.
10 inches,
Yeah.
because if you've got 8 inches, you're only filling them about 5.5, and then it'll be down 2 inches by next year, and it's a whole big deal.
Right.
So that is one thing. You want to get at least a 10, 2 by 10, 2 by 12, treated, untreated, whatever the case is.
And one thing to mention is that you don't have to do it all this year.
No.
You can do a couple this year, do a couple next year. It's okay. That's okay.
It doesn't have to be a one and done.
And also it gives you a chance to think about things like irrigation. Maybe you want to invest in some irrigation or something
Or
as well.
know what you did wrong on the first 2 beds
Right.
and fix it on the next 3.
Exactly. There's definitely like a learning curve and investment, and maybe 2 raised beds is enough for you.